Channel 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 1.2. Third question, find the inverse of the following matrices. In that third subdivision, 3 by 3 matrices is given 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. So you will have to find A inverse. So your A inverse formula is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So I have just written the steps here. Steps is, first is determinant of A, you have to find it. Then cofactor Aij. To find your A, adjoint of A, you need your cofactor. Okay, so first step is cofactor Aij. Then your adjoint of A, that is your cofactor Aij transpose will become adjoint of A. Then substitution in your A inverse formula, with that your sum will be end. Okay, so first we will go to determinant of A. So determinant of A, that is equal to, so first element you will have to see, that is 1. Then the minor of 1 you will have to write it, that is your column and the row has to be crossed out. So this column and this row will go. So left out is 2, 4, 0, 5. And for you got one format, plus, minus and plus. So plus, first term is plus, second should be minus. This 2, that is your second element, you will have to write it, it is 2. Then open your bracket. Now write the minor of 2. So this column and this row you will have to leave it. That is the regarding number, whichever column is there, the column regarding the number you will have to leave it, and the row you will have to leave it. Okay, so the left out is 0, 4, 0, 5. So 0, 4, 0, 5. Then plus. So the last term is, it is 3. Then open your bracket. So regarding column and the row has to be left out. So what is there? 0, 2, 0, 0. So it is 0, 2, 0, 0. Okay, now you have to solve it. So 1, this multiplication I have told you, diagonal multiplication, 2 5s are 10, minus these two numbers you have to multiply, 0 4s are 0. Then minus 2 into 5 into 0, it is 0, again minus 0 into 4, again it is 0. So plus 3 into 0, 0, 0, minus 0 and 2, multiplication, you get 0. So again solving, 1 into 10, minus 2 into 0, plus 3 into 0. So the answer is 10. So determinant of A is equal to 10. So Aij is equal to, open your bracket, I'll just write your matrices here, 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. So first element, minor of first element, you will have to find it. Okay. So for 1 you will have to find the minor. To find the minor, what we have to do is just close that column and the row. Regarding column and row, we close it. So the left out term you will have to write it here. So 2, 4, 0, 5. So you have got the symbols, you will have to insert it. For that, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So the symbols you will have to insert it for your cofactor. Okay. The second one is now minor of 2. This term you will have to find it. So the column and just move it, because the row is same only. So you can remove the regarding row and column. So the left out terms will be 0, 4, 0, 5. So that will be the minus, 0, 4, 0, 5 with minus, because the symbol is minus here. So minus. Then open your bracket. Now third column, that is the element 3, minor of 3 has to be found out. So third column, and again first row has to be eliminated. So the left out is 0, 2, 0, 0. So 0, 2, 0, 0. With this your first row is over. Now going to your second row, first column, that is this element and this row. First column and second row has to be eliminated to get your minor of this element. Okay, so 0 it is there. So minor of 0 you will have to find it. So 2, 3, 0, 5. So with minus, it is 2, 3, 0, 5. The next one is plus, open your bracket. Now second column has to be eliminated. Second row, second column, that is minor of 2, you will have to find it. So left out is 1305. So it is 1305. So again open your bracket with minus your third column and second row. That is the minor of 4 has to be found out. So it is 1200. 1200. So with this your second row is done. Now going to your third row, first element, it is 0. So third row, first element, that is first column and third row has to be taken out. So left out is 2324. So with plus, because plus is here, plus. So the left out element is 2324. So 2324. Now minus, open your bracket, because this minus is there, put minus. Now second column, third row, second column. So 0. 0 is there, so minor of 0 you will have to find it, 1304. So 1304. Then third row, third column. That is your last element, that is 5. Minor of 5 is 1202. So it is 1202 with plus only. Okay. So now we can close your bracket. This will be your Aij. So the next step you will have to solve it. Okay. So solving is just cross multiplication, that is your multiplication in your diagonal matrix, and this diagonal, then minus, inbuilt minus will be there. Okay, so it is 2 5s are 10 minus 0, again minus 5 into 0, it is 0 minus, again 0 4s are 0. The next one is 0 minus 0 into 2 is again 0. Okay, open your bracket. So minus is there, 2 5s are 10 minus 3 into 0 is 0. Then this is plus only. So 5 1s are 5 minus 0 3s are 0. Then minus, open your bracket, 1 into 0 is 0 minus, again 2 into 0 0. Then this one, it is plus, that is the third row, 2 4s are 8 minus 2 3s are 6 minus 1 into 4 is 4 minus 0 3s are 0. Then again 1 into 2 minus 0 2s are 0. So this is your solving. Now the last step of Aij is 10 minus 0 will be 10. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again here is also 0. Again 10 minus 0 is 10, but minus is there, so it will become minus 10. 5 minus 0 will become 5. This will become 0. 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 2. 4, but minus is there, so minus 4, 2. So this will be your Aij. So Aij we have got it. Now we will have to find adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is nothing but Aij the whole transpose. So your Aij is this values, that is the 10 0 0 minus 10 5 0 2 minus 4 2. For that you will have to find the transpose. Transpose is nothing but either you can change your rows into column, otherwise columns into row. So I'll just put equal to, then open your bracket. This column will just change it into row. So 10 minus 10 2. So that will become first row, 10 minus 10 2. Then 0 5 minus 4 second row. It is 0 5 minus 4. Like 0 0 2 0 0 2. So with this your third subdivision, this part, that is your step and third one is over. Now fourth one is we have got already determinant of A we have got 10. Then adjoint of A also we have got the answer. Now A inverse formula is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So in this formula you will have to substitute it. That only I wrote it here, substitute in A inverse. So which is equal to 1 by determinant of A we have got 10 before, it will be there. Then in your adjoint of A it is 10 minus 10 2 0 5 minus 4 0 0 2. So this is your A inverse. With this your third question, third subdivision is done. Exercise 1.2, third question. Find the inverse of the following matrices. Fourth subdivision. 3 by 3 matrices is given. Exercise 1.2, third question. Find the inverse of the following matrices. In that fourth subdivision, 3 by 3 matrices is given. Your first row is minus 3, minus 5, 4. Second row is minus 2, 3 and minus 1. Third row is 1, minus 4, minus 6. So, your steps are just wrote here. Determinant of A is your first step because you will have to find your A inverse. Okay, so your A inverse formula is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So, from here I just wrote the steps over there. First step is determinant of A. Next, to find the adjoint of A, you need cofactor. So, cofactor Aij. The next step will be adjoint of A. The next one is once you have found your determinant of A and adjoint of A, you can substitute in this formula. With that your A inverse will be done. Okay. So first step is determinant of A. So determinant of A is for minus 3. First one is minus 3. The minor of minus 3 you will have to write it. So minor of minus 3 is the column and the row has to be eliminated. So this column and this row will go. So left out is 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 6. So 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 6, that is your minor of minus 3. Then you have got a format plus, minus and plus. So first term is plus only, so you can leave as it is. Second is minus, but here you have got minus 5, so put that minus 5 out. This minus is from the format. And this minus 5 it is given over there, so write it. Then open your bracket. Now the minor of minus 5. So the regarding column and the row has to be eliminated. So column will go and the row will go. So left out is minus 2, minus 1, 1 and minus 6. So minus 2, minus 1, 1 and minus 6. So this is the minor of minus 5. Next one is this plus, you will have to write it here. Now 4. The last element 4 you will have to write it. Then open your bracket, the minor of 4. So the column and the row you will have to eliminate it. So this column will go. So these two columns will be there. So this and this will go. So what is minus 18. Inbuilt minus will be there. That is from the format. Then this side diagonal it is minus 4 minus 1 is 4. So minus 4. This is from the formula. Minus and minus will become plus. 4 ones are 4. So that 4 is here. Now minus into minus you can put it plus. 5 will be there. Open your bracket. Minus 2 minus 6 will become minus and minus will become plus. 2 6 are 12. Then inbuilt minus from the format. Then this diagonal. So 1 into 1 is 1 with minus. So minus 1. Then plus 4. Open your bracket. 2 4s are 8. Minus into minus will become plus. So 8 minus from the format. 1 into 3. 3 ones are 3. So which is equal to minus 3. Minus 18 minus 4 is minus 22. Then plus 5. This is 12 plus 1. Because minus into minus will become plus. So 12 plus 1 plus 4 into 8 minus 3 is 5. So which is equal to minus into minus will become plus. 3 into 22 is 66 plus 5 into 13 plus 4 5s are 20, which is equal to 66 plus 3 5 13s are 65 plus 20. So when you add it, you will get your answer as 151. So this is your determinant of A. So we will have to find cofactor Aij. So Aij is equal to, open your bracket, so the cofactor of minus 3 you'll have to find it. So just write your matrices here, minus 3, minus 5, 4, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 1, minus 4, minus 6. So the cofactor of minus 3 you have to find it. So the regarding column and the row you will have to eliminate it. So the left out will be the minor of your first term, it is minus 3. So you will have 3, minus 1, minus 4, minus 6. And your format will be plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus again. So the second term will be minus, open your bracket. The second column and the first row has to be eliminated. So left out is minus 2, minus 1, 1 and minus 6. So minus 2, minus 1, 1, minus 6. So third one is plus, again open your bracket. So for 4 you will have to find the cofactor, minor. So for 4 means the regarding row and column has to be eliminated. So left out is minus 2, 3, 1, minus 4. So minus 2, 3, 1, minus 4. Now going to your second row, first element, second row, first element, that is first column and second row has to be eliminated. The symbol is minus, open your bracket, because from here you will have to take that minus, open your bracket. The left out is minus 5, 4, minus 4, minus 6. So minus 5, 4, minus 4, minus 6. Next term is plus, open your bracket. Second column, second row has to be eliminated. So minus 3, 4, 1, minus 6. So minus 3, 4, 1, minus 6. Then minus, from here you will have to write your minus, open your bracket. Second row, third column you will have to eliminate it. So the left out is minus 3, minus 5, 1, minus 4. So minus 3, minus 5, 1, minus 4. Third row, first column. That is a minor of 1, you will have to find it. So plus only from here, open your bracket, minus 5, 4, 3, minus 1. So minus 5, 4, 3, minus 1. Then again minus, open your bracket, second column, third row. Second column, third row, minus 3, 4, minus 2, minus 1. So minus 3, 4, minus 2, minus 1. Then again third row, third column, last element. So the left out will be with plus, open your bracket, minus 3, minus 5, then minus 2, 3. So now you can close your bracket and this bracket also. So that is equal to, now open your bracket, now solving only. So it is diagonal matrices you will have to multiply. So 3 into 6 is minus 18, 6 3s are 18, minus is there, inbuilt minus will be there, then open your bracket, 4 1s are 4, minus into minus will become plus, so 4 will be there. Now you can close your bracket. That is your first element, okay. Second one is minus, again open your bracket, minus into minus will become plus, 2 6 are 12, minus from your format. Again 1 into 1 is 1 itself, but minus is there, so minus 1. Next one is plus, open your bracket, minus 2, minus 4, when you multiply you will get your 8, minus to minus will become plus, inbuilt minus from format, again 3 1s are 3. Then your second row, minus is there outside, keep it outside itself, open your bracket, 5 6 are 30, minus into minus will become plus. So 30 minus, open your bracket, because here minus is there, 4 4s are 16 with minus, so minus 16. And plus, open your bracket, minus 3 minus 6 will become 18, minus 4 ones are 4. Then minus, open your bracket, 3 4s are 12, minus into minus will become plus. So 12 minus, open your bracket, 1 into 5s are 5 but minus is there, so minus 5. Close your bracket. Now plus, open your bracket, 5 ones are 5, minus into minus will become plus, so 5 minus 4 3s are 12. Then again minus, open your bracket, 3 ones are 3, minus into minus will become plus, so 3 minus 2 4s are 8, plus into minus is minus, so minus 8. Then plus, open your bracket, 3 3s are 9 with minus, so minus 9, minus will be there, then minus into minus will become plus, 5 2s are 10. Your next solving is minus 18 minus 4, then this is minus outside, 12, minus of minus is plus, so plus 1. Then plus 8 minus 3. Then this is minus, open your bracket, 30 plus 16. Minus into minus will become plus. Then plus 18 minus 4. Then minus 12 plus 5. Minus into minus is plus, so plus 5. Plus 5 minus 12. Then minus 3 plus, minus into minus plus, so 8. Again plus minus 9 minus 10. So the answer will be minus 18 minus 4 is minus 22. This is 13, so minus 13. 8 minus 3 is 5. 46, but minus is there, so minus 46. 18 minus 4 is plus 14. 12, 5, 17, but minus is there, so minus 17. Now this is 5 minus 12 is minus 7. 3 plus 8 is 11, but minus is there outside, so minus 11. This is minus 19, plus into minus is minus 19. So with this your Aij is done. So Aij is over. Now you will have to find adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is Aij transpose. So Aij we have got it here, that answer, that is minus 22, minus 13, 5, minus 46, 14, minus 17, minus 7, minus 11, minus 19. For that you will have to find the transpose. Transpose is nothing but either your rows has to be changed into column or the columns has to be changed into rows. So this row we'll just write it into columns. So minus 22, minus 13, 5, second row to second column, minus 46, 14, minus 17, third row to third column, minus 7, minus 11, minus 19. So this will be your adjoint of A. Next, A inverse you will have to find it. A inverse, you know your formula, 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So just substitute whatever we have found out, that answer here. So that is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A, we have got it here, otherwise it will be there before, 151. Then open your bracket, your adjoint of A is this answer. So it is minus 22, minus 46, minus 7, minus 13, 14, minus 11, 5, minus 17, minus 19. So this is your answer for your A inverse. With this your third question, fourth subdivision is done.